Introduction. If you're going through this training, you probably are a veteran of several diets. I can't say I blame you because you're not alone. In fact, millions of Americans try one diet after another only to end up in the same place. Actually, too many of us go on diet after diet and we get heavier and heavier each time we try. It's bad enough that a lot of these diets are unable to keep the weight off, but once you get off the diet, you gain more weight. It's a very frustrating situation, and a lot of people have basically thought that outside of surgery, losing weight on a sustainable basis is pretty much a pipe dream. You're in luck. It turns out, according to fairly recent research, that fat has actually gotten a bad rap. Based on these recent analyses, the real culprit for America's exploding waistline is none other than sugar. You heard that right. The old idea of eating a lot of fruits, starchy food, and starchy vegetables is actually making you sick. It leads to inflammation. It increases the chances of developing certain types of cancer. And it inflames the system so much that it can put people at risk of cardiovascular diseases. By loading up on eggs, avocados, and other high-fat, low-carb foods, you can live healthier while losing weight on a sustainable basis. The key is achieving ketosis. Don't get scared of the term. Your body can only take two forms of energy. Either it uses up the sugar in your bloodstream, or it takes in fat in the form of chemical compounds produced by your liver called ketones. When people achieve ketosis, they not only lose weight, but they get a nice burst of energy. They think more clearly. Their skin improves, and a whole long list of tremendous health benefits. If you are looking for a great way to adopt the keto diet and recalibrate your metabolism for sustainable weight loss, you are going through the right training. In this training, I'm going to step you through the basics of a keto diet so as to maximize your chances of success. Please understand that this training is a framework. In other words, I'm not going to make you stick to a rigid system like a typical diet book. This training is a framework. You basically work with your existing diet and you switch gradually over to a ketogenic diet and you stay there. This way, you experience less psychological internal resistance to your lifestyle change. This is less a diet training as it is a lifestyle modification training. Make no mistake, if you want the pounds to go and you want them to remain gone, you must change your lifestyle. Stop going on diet after diet. Instead, change your attitude about certain foods and change your lifestyle. It can be done. This training will teach you how to do it.